Hey guys, how are you doing? Today we'll be doing a full body workout. A total of 6 exercises, 1 warm up and 5 for the whole body. If you haven't already, do subscribe my channel for more videos related to nutrition and fitness. In this video you'll get the rep range and how to do the exercise right form and technique. Today I am doing Surya Namaskar for warm up. So you have to do Surya Namaskar 4 times and I'm showing you just once. You have to completely follow this regime 4 times to get your body warmed up properly. By performing Surya Namaskar, you will get the opportunity to warm up all the muscles from head to toe. After Surya Namaskar, we will start with our legs. We'll do squats. There is no hard and fast rule how to do a squat. You just have to sit and stand by keeping your back straight as I am showing you right now. You can go as low as you can. You don't have to try extra. Just do 3 sets of 10, 12 and 15 repetitions. After squats, we'll start with our chest. So we'll do push-ups. There is just one rule in push-ups. When you come up, extend your elbows fully, and when you go down, try to touch the floor. That's it. This is the easiest way to understand how to do a push-up. I just keep one thing in my mind. Whenever I do any exercise, I keep myself comfortable. Wherever you're comfortable, start from there. Push-ups will do 3 sets of 10, 12 and 15 repetitions. After push-ups, we'll do commandos. So commandos is good for our arms, shoulders and core. This is like a cardiorespiratory exercise, so we have to keep breathing continuously. Whenever you're shifting your weight from your elbow to the hand, you're basically using your core. So this exercise is very good for your upper body. In this, 1 repetition is left and right both. So when we'll start from left and finish on left, that is 1. So we'll do 3 sets of 15, 12 and 10 repetitions. Next exercise coming up is diamond push-ups. So we'll be doing 3 sets of 10, 12 and 15 repetitions. So this exercise is very good for your triceps and chest as well. You just have to keep your hands close and do what you did in the push-ups. Extend your elbows when you come up and when you go down, try to touch the floor. That's it. Next exercise which we'll be doing is shoulder tap. And we'll be doing 3 sets of 10, 12 and 15 repetitions. Left, right is 1 repetition. You'll start from push-up startup position. You'll just have to tap your left and right shoulder. Tap your left shoulder with right hand and right shoulder with left hand. Try to keep yourself as stable as possible. This exercise is like a moving plank exercise. So this is the last exercise, guys. Hope you enjoyed the workout. Don't forget to do a stretching session after every workout because you need to cool down the muscles which you warmed up. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and do give me a thumbs up if you like my video. Your thumbs up means a lot to me. It gives me a boost to make more videos related to nutrition and fitness.